The exhaust manifold bolt on the driver's side, the rear bolt, broke off just below the surface of the head. My intention is to use some weld to build that stud out a bit. I'm going to put a nut around it and build that up. It'll give me something to grab hold of and see if we can twist that out. So I'm going to start with using my welder. It's coming out. It's pretty hot, so I'm going to use my pliers here to get the rest of it out. And there it is. There's the stud. It didn't do any damage to the aluminum. The difference is because the bolt is steel, the head is aluminum. And when you weld to the end of the stud, it's steel. It doesn't weld to the aluminum. So you can work it out.